You had lied to me that those who are in pain cannot love others who are in pain. You had lied to me that a pain can be erased only with another pain.
At times we need another pain to get rid of our present pain. Those who are in pain cannot love each other, but they can surely be friends.
But not anymore. I don't want to save myself anymore. Whenever I take your name, my very soul starts shivering. I start breathing deeper. When I touch you, my heart stops beating. When I think of you, Maya, I used to feel that I'm running away from you. But no, I was running away from myself. But the fear of losing you has overpowered all the other fears. You are my life, Maya. Henceforth, every happiness of mine will be yours, and my every dream will be yours. Henceforth, we will share your pain, we'll share your loneliness, and my peace will be yours. Henceforth, I promise to be your support, Maya.
No, no.
I love you, Maya! And I know that you love me too! Maya, I love you! I love you, Maya! And I know you love me too!
No, Rudra. Please don't make me weak. You can't make me weak. Your love cannot defeat my revenge.
Maya! Maya! Stop, Maya! Water.
Come on, Rudra. Your death is waiting for you.
Maya, please don't go anywhere. This is very dangerous. Maya?
No life jacket can save you, Rudra. I'm taking you to the deepest point of this river. Rudra, why have you come here? You can't even swim. You're scared of water. What if something happens to you?
Dying with you is better than living without you. And anyway, I've always made wrong decisions, Maya. You are my only right decision. Every dream of me was wrong. You are my only right. My life was incomplete, but it's complete now and you are its reason. I won't go anywhere, Maya.
But we cannot be together in this life.
Maya, listen to me, Maya. Maya.
Welcome, Rudra. Death is closing in on you.
Maya, please listen to me.
Just one more step and your story ends.
Maya. Save me, man!
You couldn't weaken me. My revenge is complete. Today, why do I feel as if I've lost even though I have won?
Maya! Maya, leave my hand. If I board, the boat will topple. Neither of us can survive. Leave me. Leave my hand. Maya, don't try to save me. This life jacket won't help, as the river is running very fast. black color has worn off these pearls. Leave the black color, please. Promise me, man. Promise me, please. You won't stop your life due to this fear. The happiness you are seeking, you'll search for it within yourself. Promise me, Maya. Whether I stay or not, you will forever cherish the love that I shared with you. I wish I had more time. I wish I would have wiped your tears with my love. I love you, Maya. Sorry for not being able to support you. When I think of you, then my heart skips a beat. You mean everything to me, Maya. From now on, all my happiness will be yours. Your grief will be mine. I love you, Maya!
चाहा तुझे दिल ने मेरे तो सांसों ने धोखा दिया तेरा हुआ यूं इस तरह कि मुझसे हुआ मैं जुदा संग ले गया तू फिर मेरे जीने की सारी वजह तेरी खलिश तेरी खला को दिल में यूं दी है जगह मुझ में ही तू रहे यूं सदा आदत है तू बुरी या सजा तुझ पे भी तू लगे लाज़मी बेहद है ये मेरी आशिकी
Is Maya in love with Rudra?
Rudra has come into your life as a new hope. You should give him a chance. He's a really nice guy. He's made for you. He's there to protect you. I have seen the love for you in his eyes.
You mean everything to me, Maya.
Is Maya in love with Rudra?
He's made for you. I have seen the love for you in his eyes.
Rudra, please wake up! Rudra, please get up! Rudra, please don't leave after giving me hopes in my life. Rudra, get up! Rudra, you have to get up! Get up! Rudra! Rudra, please get up! I love you! Did you hear me? I love you! Rudra, I love you! Please get up! Please! Please don't leave me alone! Please!